Hello. If you're watching this video, you probably already know what a Citi-Car is. I had another video explaining what it was, but people didn't like it very much. So, here's this video. A few clips of me and my buddy working on our $150 Citi-Car from the middle of nowhere, Florida. Thank you, along with the video.
Liz. Every Tesla should be V8 swap.
Genius, man, genius.
We got a little bit of body damage, don't we?
Nah. Fake news.
Hey, it'll buff out.
This is yummy, innit? We got a transmission from a tractor and a funny Honda.
This video's going nowhere.
Hey,
Do something else.
that switch that I bought doesn't fit in that hole.
You do?
No, it don't.
You don't?
Nothing.
It's a
Why
shame.
not?
Well, it doesn't.
Oh.
It's the same switch, but this one's like a centimeter
We need new
off.
brakes.
There we
I
go.
don't know. Look at the rear brakes. Those are good rear brakes.
Front ones are fine.
Oh yeah, the diff on this thing is from not
We
this
don't
thing.
know what it is. All we know is the brakes are asbestos. We're all gonna die. This is our final moment.
What are those getting here?
Thursday.
I didn't buy the shoes yet.
You should buy those.
The most important broken piece on this car. Bring it back.
And what would that be?
This gas
Oh.
piston right here.
Oh yeah, sorry, yeah.
It's came out of there.
Hey, it's just knock something off the car.
Look how shiny these lights are though.
It's because Windex.
10mm wrench.
We got Let There Be Light.
Look at it. Do wiggity woogity.
Oh yeah, they dim. It works.
Yeah. It'll work. Right here.
Yummy lights.
That was a bad sound. I don't like that.
Yeah, that wasn't very nice.
Well, we're gonna...
I feel like I should add some afternotes. Do we intend on keeping the vehicle gas? No, we do intend on putting an electric drivetrain back into the vehicle. 2, do we have the original transaxle for the Citi-Car? No. If you know anyone who has one or have one, and that you're willing to sell, please let us know. We are willing to buy it. And that's about it.